ETH holds strong. Is it the digital oil powering the global digital economy? Ether is staying above $2,500 days after being called a foundational asset for a global, on-chain financial system and a major opportunity for institutions. Ether, ETH, $2, 537.65 is trading above $2,540, showing strong resilience in the face of market turbulence fueled by heightened geopolitical risk. After briefly dipping to $2,491.72, ETH recovered swiftly, closing higher on above-average volume and validating key support near $2,500, according to CoinDesk Research's technical analysis model. Technical indicators suggest renewed momentum, supported by a double-bottom formation and heavy intraday, buying near $2,530. ETH open interest stood at $35.36 billion as of 6:05 p.m. Universal Time coordinated on June 16, per CoinGlass data, indicating active institutional positioning. However, U.S.-listed spot Ethereum ETFs saw $2.1 million in net outflows on Friday, ending a record-setting 19-day inflow streak, according to data from Farside Investors. Despite that, ETH continues to hold its range between $2,500 and $2,800, suggesting bullish sentiment is intact for now. Helping to support this narrative is a press release issued on Thursday by Etherealize, a group focused on bridging institutional finance and Ethereum. The statement announced the publication of the bull case for ETH, a comprehensive report backed by ecosystem leaders like Danny Ryan, Grant Hummer, Vivek Raman, and others. The report argues that Ethereum is becoming the essential foundation for a digitally native global financial system. According to the report, the global economy is undergoing a generational shift, with financial assets increasingly moving on-chain. Ethereum is positioned as the primary settlement layer enabling this transformation due to its decentralization, security, and uptime. The report says that Ethereum already powers over 80% of all tokenized assets and is the default infrastructure for stablecoins and institutional blockchain deployments. ETH, the native asset of Ethereum, is described not just as a store of value but also as programmable collateral, computational fuel, and yield-bearing infrastructure. The report claims ETH is vastly underpriced compared to its long-term utility and describes it as digital oil, a productive reserve asset underpinning a composable, global financial ecosystem. It argues ETH should be a core holding in any institution's long-term digital asset strategy, complementing Bitcoin's role as digital gold. In sum, while macro conditions remain volatile, Ethereum's market behavior, combined with continued institutional engagement and its growing role as financial infrastructure, suggests ETH could be forming a durable base for a future breakout. Technical analysis highlights. Disclaimer. Parts of this article were generated with the assistance from AI tools and reviewed by our editorial team to ensure accuracy and adherence to our standards. For more information, see CoinDesk's full AI policy. Siamak Masnavi is a researcher specializing in blockchain technology, cryptocurrency regulations, and macroeconomic trends shaping the crypto market. He holds a PhD in computer science from the University of London and began his career in software development, including 4 years in the banking industry in the city of London and Zurich. In April 2018, Siamak transitioned to writing about cryptocurrency news, focusing on journalism until January 2025, when he shifted exclusively to research on the aforementioned topics. CoinDesk Analytics is CoinDesk's AI-powered tool that, with the help of human reporters, generates market data analysis, price movement reports, and financial content focused on cryptocurrency and blockchain markets. All content produced by CoinDesk Analytics undergoes human editing by CoinDesk's editorial team before publication. The tool synthesizes market data and information from CoinDesk data and other sources to create timely market reports, with all external sources clearly attributed within each article. CoinDesk Analytics operates under CoinDesk's AI content guidelines, which prioritize accuracy, transparency, and editorial oversight. Learn more about CoinDesk's approach to AI-generated content in our AI policy.